Have you been seeing this, what's going on? Released by WikiLeaks make more clear than ever just how much is at stake in November and how unattractive and dishonest our country has become. The election of Hillary Clinton would lead, in my opinion, to the almost total destruction of our country as we know it. She would be the most dishonest and the most corrupt person ever elected to high office, and I don't think it would be close. The WikiLeaks emails show the Department of Justice fed information, did you see this, to the Clinton campaign. So think of this. The Department of Justice, you remember that whole deal with Wild Bill getting on the back of an airplane, just happened to be in Arizona, he was going to play golf, it was 110 degrees. But he gets on the back of the airplane to meet with the Attorney General to talk about his golf game and to talk about his grandkids. He was there for 39 minutes. I think most of us know what happened. So fed information, the Department of Justice fed information, think of this, to the Clinton campaign about the email investigation so that the campaign could be prepared to cover up her crimes. Now, did you ever hear anything like this? And by the way, these dishonest people, mainstream media, they don't talk about this. They don't talk about this. Now, if I sneeze, if Donald Trump sneezes today, it's a major story. Here you have Department of Justice coming to see them, to brief them prior to their interview. Folks, this is out of control.